So one of my favorite illustrations when talking about a lot of the themes and the content for this week is how we talk about language and use language when discussing a lot of the issues in this week's lesson. So, for example, when we think of the word race, the categories that usually come to mind are Black, Latino, Asian, Pacific Islander, Native American. When we think of the word gender, the thing we usually think of is like women, right? There was a women's studies before there was even a men's studies of anything. When we think of the word sex or sexual orientation, we usually think of homosexual or gay or lesbian. And the category that leaves out is the straight white male. Yours truly, right? And I always loved this when I was sitting into undergraduate classes because it really kind of made me realize that, wow, I've never really had to think about my race or my class or my sexual orientation because it was just always assumed as normal, right? And there's a certain power and value to that, right? And it's time that we start kind of unpacking what that means and the sort of societal value it has and the privilege that comes with that, right? So a lot of the concepts and issues we're going to be discussing in class this week have to do with that, about how the things we talk about and we think about when we talk about race and we talked about gender, our social constructs, and how those same social constructs have inherent within them tons of really important power dynamics that's essential to get at if we're ever going to come to any kind of better or more deeper understanding of one another. Hope you enjoy it.